Hi, Josh Anderson from Customer Support. Today we've got our Premier Vertical Grips, we've got our standard rifle chassis, and our new AR variants. With the AR variants, it will now support the AR safety and we'll be going through the installation on the standard rifle chassis. In the packaging, you'll receive the mount screw, 2 stainless screws to go through the halves, which you will notice will have a smaller hole on the one side to be able to cross through the halves to fully secure it. First, we're going to take our pistol grip post, slide that over the pistol grip boss. Today we're using the ACC chassis, but this will fit on any chassis that uses an AR style interface. Take the provided washer and the grip screw, slide that in place, and then thread it in. You can always go contact in an 1/8 turn pass, or if you'd like to use a little bit of blue Loctite, that will work as well. From there, take our halves and line them up. From there, take the screws to go through the halves, which again will be on the one side, and secure those. Once you got the 2 cross bolts in and securing the halves, you can loosen them off, and with this vertical grip, you can adjust to a rearward position or forward position, making sure that you got your trigger finger at a 90-degree angle. Once you find the desired position, tighten the 2 halves, and now you've got the Vertical Grip Premier installed. Thank you for watching.